developing yourself or leave this coaching.
Sir, sir, you ask me any question. If I'm not able to answer, then you send me this word.
By the slipper.
Sir, personality development. It is personality development. You are here for personality development.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my
I
God!
am full
Yes,
personality
he is
development.
absolutely right.
Sir, when we are small, when we are in school, we don't have that much of mindset.
Yes.
So teacher never encourage that person that you use your wisdom and you for that also motivation is required. That we are not getting in schools.
Exactly.
You are just undermining.
And
You have not thoughts. That's why you are.
Teacher has to uplift the children. That you have to do. You have to acquire this position.
Of course, of
But
Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all in today's solitary debate. What I mean to say that solo, solo, solo. When we take this word solo, it means doing something alone, without anybody, without any person. You are with yourself. And today the whole responsibility is going to be taken by you only for whole team. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to talk about a great topic, and this topic is going to make so many people aware as well. Nowadays there are so many students, and we are also students. Somewhere or the others, we have to study from schools or maybe coaching classes. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to talk about where to go. Where to go? Well, some people are saying we have to go to coaching. Some people are saying we should go to, schools. But nothing is decided. Nothing is confirmed. You, the people of Will Talk, are going to come on the stage and going to tell people which is really good. Which one is really good. Where we should go. You are going to make me know. You are going to make so many people know who are watching here on YouTube channel. Do subscribe and subscribe the channel if you're watching on YouTube. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome ladies first. Should I welcome from there or from here? It's up to me. Neha here, please come to the stage. So people, the energy of yours, representative of this team, please take this mic.
thank you so much, sir.
I welcome you here on this stage. How do you feel being on this stage?
Sir, I'm feeling very honored and privileged to have this platform where I can have to have my enhancing this topic and the debate, which will be very, very beneficial for us in our communication and having a very
Oh my
perfect
goodness!
life.
Your voice looks like better than this coffee. Exactly. Of course.
Thank you, sir.
So you are on the stage, you feel excited to talk on this topic.
Yes, sir. I'm very much excited.
So I should thank you or you should thank me?
I should thank you, sir, because you have given such wonderful opportunity to
And
have
I should
this
also
topic.
thank you because you have considered our responsibility to make people aware. So you are really sharing of the society. I want to thank you for this. Right. You have to stand up there a bit, right?
Okay, sir.
So, Neha,
Yes, sir.
you have to tell them first of all that why coaching classes are better than schools.
Okay.
Then they will come to you. Huh.
Yes, if it will be very best and very good to have to go to coaching when school has taught us to be proficient, when school has taught us to become adaptable, when school has taught us to be very skill based, very have wisdom, when all the topics when school has taught us, then we are never forced to go to coaching.
Right.
Even I'm not just saying, even 7th class standard boy, 8th class standard boy, always going for coaching. For what? For learning.
Exactly.
He don't know maths. He don't know science. He don't know history. He goes for the coaching. Why this is happening? Because of the schooling.
Right. Of course.
And this is what we are also standing in coaching also right now, just to learn English. We are standing here to learn English-based coaching because for the enhancing. Here we are
And these people could not learn English in schools.
Yes, sir. We always have, even my personal choice, I'm telling you, I always have glossophobia. I used to very shy, even I just came in the coaching, this kind of problems I was just facing. But because of the coaching, because my school never taken action for this.
Excuse me?
Just taking the action for the toppers. Yes, toppers.
But now because of
Coaching, well talk. Yes, sir. Definitely.
Yes, because of well talk, she has eradicated the glossophobia.
Even
right?
sir, I was not having a kind of knowledge, wisdom that because of the broken English by the speaking, I feel that yes, I am capable enough to speak from the people. Yes, I can communicate better. But this kind of means I was not having this kind of perfection earlier. But today I have because of this kind of activity as well as.
Alright, so Miss Neha, I
Yes,
know
sir.
these people cannot tolerate your points. They are excited. They are excited to
Definitely,
come on the
sir.
stage.
We can have a question. I'm ready to
Of
answer you
course.
every question.
So in this Mahasabha, in this seminar, they are going to come on the stage and they are going to slap you by words. Are you
my-
ready to be slapped?
Yes, sir. I'm also having a slap, just not by the hand, by my mouth.
Okay,
I think that
ladies and gentlemen, here I just want you all to welcome a personality from that group to slap this girl by words. In this battle of words with solitary debate, ladies and gentlemen, we have. Who should I welcome, ladies and gentlemen? Mr. Kilas, please come to stage. A person from Rajasthan, great personality. The time is yours.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Kev, sir, for having me such a wonderful opportunity. Today, we are discussing about the formal education, informal education. Our team is supporting the formal education. Miss Neha that told, in my formal education, I was not able to speak English. I want to tell you that you not used your time. You not used your time in the your formal education. That's why there is the need of the to improve the education.
All right.
That's not the fault of the schools. That's fault of your mind. Just you have to check.
I think she was the most careless girl in the school. That's why she couldn't learn.
And just about the formal education, just I want to clarify that we can learn from the Delhi, schools of the Delhi, that Mr. Kejriwal, the CM of the Delhi, and the Education Minister Manish Sisodia, that put lots of efforts, and on the basis of that, the ministers of the US that visited the schools on the basis of you can say the ministers of the ministers of the US that are coming to visit the school. That's what the exponential.
Why we always have the top?
What type of infrastructure
Sir,
that
school always have topper of. If you will see the toppers will always the son
Just-
of the
just
principal.
that I want to just clarify.
Why then why?
I want to just clarify.
If I will the backbencher, I also will.
I want to come.
She is discussing about the toppers in the online.
Sir, why backbenchers are backbenchers? Because nobody taken care of.
In
Nobody
the online
taken care
education,
of.
in the online
Teacher
education,
only.
online
Teacher
education,
has
PW
came,
classes,
given her lecture
and
and
lots
she's
of
gone.
classes that are going on in the India that only focus. Why they are not focused? Why they are not with the parents and all? After the selection for the
when-
advertisement, they only promote the city. They want.
Let me
And
have
have you
my
ever
words.
seen?
Why are you suppressing the voice of girl?
Have you ever
Would
seen?
you please give her time?
Yes, you can
Let
just
her speak actually.
Sir, when we are small, when we are in school, we don't have that much of mindset.
Yes.
So teacher never encourage that person that you use your wisdom and for that also motivation is required. That we are not getting in schools.
Exactly.
You are just undermining.
And
You have not thoughts. That's why you are.
Teacher
putting-
has to uplift the children. That you have to acquire this position.
Of course.
In the all
even backbenchers are always left backbenchers
in all the
because they have not
in
uplifted.
all the bureaucrats, you can just see in the all over the ministry and all India that all are the educated from the Delhi University.
You are
from the,
manipulating the words.
No, sir, I am not.
She meant to say that schools are taking care of those people who are already rich, who are already talented.
And who
They are
are-
never taking care of backbenchers. Exactly.
Sir,
But in coaching classes, a teacher focuses on everybody.
The person who is good in study always been
school,
focused
that-
in the
that-
school.
Oh my God.
But
that statement
who
does
is
not
weak,
hold water.
weak-
That what you are
weak
saying, that
person is
statement
required.
does not hold water.
Listen,
I want to clear that in the coaching, the teacher are supporting all the students. But
first of all,
Yeah, you can
You're
clear.
not letting me to speak.
she told, sir.
But Neha, you already have got beautiful answer. I think you should go back. Yes, he beautifully answered that. I think you are very careless woman.
Sir,
Yes.
excuse me, sir. Listen to me. When water is given to that plant, that is weak, not which
Oh, wow! Are clap!
So always.
And they are giving water to those plants.
Sir, just I want to just say that what is the requirement for to build any house? If the fundament like foundation will be strong, the foundation is the formal education. And from the yeah,
No, doesn't matter nowadays.
How
No,
you
doesn't
can say
matter
that?
here.
Foundation is built from tuition and coaching classes nowadays. Yes.
That's why, sir, NEET foundation, JEE foundation. That's why foundation is written after that.
At the initial stage, they are not able to just think from where they thought that I want to clear the JEE advanced.
So
they
that-
enroll the school. They know with the different mindset of the school. Different
school is
mindset
never
of the people that
responsible
stood.
for that.
After that, they just discuss with the friends and all.
That is why she is saying that when school teachers are carrying those students who are already talented.
Yes.
What kind of
Just
foundation
for
we
the
building?
result and
Is this
school's
foundation?
name. Yes,
Arey,
sir.
they are already built. But coaching classes focuses on backbenchers and weak students
And
as
how
well.
much result is coaching will bring, that much of name will be there of coaching. That's why. Yes, everybody. Not by only one person.
All over the schools that are situated in India, the most of students that not failed in the classes and all the board classes and all. But in the online institution, they are not able to just. They are just promoting their to sell their courses and just student enroll. And what is the fees? You can think that every single student can afford about 1 lakh 20,000 fees.
We have exceptional case in that. We have online coaching.
If you are
sir,
able,
one NEET exam person has cracked cover seller has cracked the NEET exam because of the online coaching.
because
You are where are you, sir? Where are you?
Please let me go back.
Yes,
Please
sir.
let me go back, please. Go back. Yes. Of course, because of studying examination, right?
there is lots of 20-30 lakh students enrolled and they paid 1 lakh 20,000 every
So why
year
to
on the
afford
basis.
why to
And
afford the
what is
offline
the
coaching?
success ratio?
You have
What
to
is the
afford the
success
online
ratio?
coaching in
What
there
is the
now.
success ratio?
So finally,
Only 1% success ratio, and after 2 and 3
And
years
what
they
is
are
the success
spending
ratio of
just
the school? Of what?
every people is
How many
successful.
people are-
Like 80% people that
Sir, from coaching only they are studying and crashing the board exam. Board exam.
and without formal
Kailash, why is it important to join any coaching classes to crack the NEET examination and JEE examination?
Arey sir, you are very far. For class
is
12
not
board
need to-
exam.
there-
Class
at the
12
present
board
time,
exam
there is
also.
not-
They are.
at the-
they-
Students are not able to crack without
Yes,
coaching
sir.
classes.
Because coaching
How
class.
you can say that's the mindset problem? Because we are
Sir, 50%
we are just
more than
en-
50 people
we are
are
just-
working on the coaching and the classes.
we are just enrolling for the coaching institute only that reason that we are
Even
scrolling the
toppers are
reels.
also going
We
for
are
the
just
coaching.
scrolling the reels and just we are thinking that only with the help of coaching institute we can just do. That is only mindset problem. With the help
Because
of
online,
with the help of self-study,
because
with the help of
coaching class is a directory process which direct yourself, which focuses on your skill, your achievements, and makes successful to you.
All right,
That's
thank
it.
you very much.
Thank you, sir.
You both have spoken nicely. I really congratulate you. You both have won. Please have a seat. Very nice. Great. Ladies and gentlemen, here Miss Hina was shining before all of you, talking about coaching classes. I really salute her and appreciate her. Here Mr. Kailash from Rajasthan, he came, the way he was shining and talking about the schools, that was really appreciable and I salute him. Nobody has won. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome Mr. Brijesh. Please come to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome the next person from that group. Ladies and gentlemen, let's invite Miss Ria. Hello, Mr. Brijesh.
Hello, sir.
Congratulations.
Good evening, sir.
And good evening. Today you have come on the stage, after applying so much cream. Please tell me which cream have you applied today?
Sorry, sir.
Which cream have you applied
I
today?
have not applied any cream.
Really?
Yeah.
But you look so handsome and smart. What's the
Yeah,
reason? What is the reason
It's
behind your
natural,
smart?
sir. It's natural, yeah.
Excuse me. God is doing discrimination with me, I think, right?
See, actually, you are brighter than me, yeah?
No, it's
Yeah.
not about brighter, it's about healthy, right? I'm so, okay,
my
no
God.
problem. By the way, so today you're going to talk, in front of, Ria. So what do you feel? That you will win or she will win?
I will win, sir.
Oh my God, a great challenge. But she has beautiful points, right?
Okay. Let's express them.
Hey Ria, tell him.
Good evening all.
Good evening all.
Good evening, Cap sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts in front of you. So today we will discuss about formal and informal education. Both are good in their own side. Both are good. But I support a formal education because they provide many opportunity.
How can you say that school provide many opportunities?
Yes, of course.
Tell me some opportunities which a school provides.
Only one opportunity, that is casteism opportunity.
Yeah.
Yes.
Only school promotes casteism.
There is no opportunity.
So tell me some opportunity.
School provides a very extra curriculum activity,
Like
Olympiads.
any
They provide
particular school
They provide a
doesn't provide any Olympiad competition. Olympiad competition
They
provided by
provide
other
for
institute.
school, not a-
Other institute often go to school and offered that.
Institute also comes a formal education, not a informal education. Institute provide a Olympiad, so this is called a formal.
Institutes are informal education.
Yeah.
You understand that?
You should know that.
Of course.
So institute
This is also institute.
yes,
and
it
I
is
have
also
told
called
you
a
already.
formal.
This is formal education? She is saying this is formal education.
No.
More. This is formal education.
Yes.
And
No.
she is saying that CAPSR has, oh my god, she was saying CAPSR has built my communication school. This is coaching class. This is not coaching class. This is, listen to her.
This is not a coaching. This
Yeah.
is an institute. This
Yeah.
is comes
And
a
it is-
formal education.
Of course.
And sir,
Please
for the
drink water.
thank you, sir. For the children, it is compulsory to get elementary education, sir.
Yes. All right, no problem. You both have to sit down. You guys are a compliment. See, there are some management institutions that may be governmented, that may be, there are, crash courses, institutions. There are some management, courses. Those are not formal educations, right? But here, this will talk, what I believe this is informal education, right? Exactly. This is informal education, like people come here for skill development. Ladies and gentlemen, let's invite the next person here. We have Mr. Who would like to come on? Mr. Anshuman, please come to the stage. Please come to the stage. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Someone told me that you were traveling for London and because of one, flight crash, you have returned actually. Why?
No, sir.
It's not like that.
No, sir, it's not
You
like
booked
that.
your ticket and visa actually. Yeah, no, actually he was about to go on 20th, June, but he has cancelled his ticket because he has phobia.
Sir, it is all about like you are.
What? That's reality, man. That's reality.
it is not reality.
Excuse me, I booked your ticket. Don't tell a lie.
No, sir, you
He is
didn't
telling a lie, guys.
didn't
Why
do
did you fear? Why did you fear?
I don't have fear, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
But you have fear of these people, I think.
No,
so,
sir,
right?
I don't have
Ladies
any
and
of
gentlemen, who is there to come on the stage to talk to Mr. Ansuman? But let's listen to Ansuman, the Arman of Mr. Ansuman.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to say, share your Arman?
Yes,
Do you know Arman means?
Arman means like a one desire.
Desire. So you are in this Hindustan. Are you Qurban for Hindustan?
Yes, sir. Why not?
Hey Ansuman, share your Arman.
Good evening, all of you, and thank you, sir, for giving me this chance. So I am supporting school is good because when we go school at in the morning, we do prayer. At that time, positive vibes come our body, and extracurricular means principal and teachers conduct sports, and they make us like a PT and exercises. And in that time they check our nails, our hair, and our dresses, how we wear the dress. This is
Positive vibes.
positive voice.
You said that, right?
Yes, sir.
Where he is trying to say, whenever we go to school, we get positive vibes. They check nails.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, are you going to Walima or what?
No, sir. What is means of walima?
Walima is kind of function,
Sir,
You are going to Walima or what? They check nails and all, everything. Come on.
sir, it is all like a.
It comes under personality development.
Yes, sir. Why not?
That's beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a spiritual developer.
Yes, sir.
We have a moral developer. We have an ethical person. And he will tell you how to develop personality from coaching class. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Sasan. Please come to the stage. Hello, sir. Welcome. I welcome you on this stage. How do you feel here on this stage?
First of all, thank you for having me here, sir. Myself, Shashank Maurya, and I am just targeting the coaching
Be more
classes.
dramatic, okay? Be more dramatic, okay? Yes.
I am favor of coaching classes.
That's beautiful.
Yes, sir.
So from where have you completed your graduation? Can you please tell me that?
First of all, I do not have any graduation degree.
Excuse me. Well, he does not have a degree, right?
Yes, sir.
And you can see his intellectuality without going to college.
No, it is not beauty of coaching. It is the sir. It is beauty of their knowledge. His knowledge.
Yes.
Your parent didn't send you school, and you are not able to you don't have any degrees.
I am
then
just building myself.
Oh, you are building yourself.
And he's better than you.
No, sir. I am better than.
Show me the quality. Show me the quality.
Sir, I have completed my graduation by school, and I know some basic things in school. I know like PT and all things, and I can make one boys understand.
Hey, sir, I also know
Yes,
what
sir,
are the things.
You know because of school.
I have
you,
been.
you don't. You know because
First of all,
school.
you have to understand
Yeah.
about the things what I'm telling. Let me clear you that I have been 12 years from the school, and I am well known how the condition of the schools, how the things are bad in our schools. So I am much more aware from you.
Please tell me one bad.
And that is the biggest regret of his life, that he
Yes.
went to school.
It is the biggest regret of my life.
One point. Please tell me what is the biggest regret?
Because from school I cannot able to make my fluent and make myself fluent
Okay. We are
from school I am not
studied.
much
Okay.
more
Let me tell you.
knowledgeable.
I'm not taking care of you, sir. This is the equality.
I
This
don't
is
have
the
problem.
thing that you have.
I don't have problem,
You
sir.
You don't have problem?
No, sir.
Look at these
sir,
people,
I am
they are
here.
cooperating.
Sir, I am here for debating with Mr. Sasank. Let me tell you, we have completed our 10th and 12th with English medium, and we know what is the vocab, we know what is the sentence, but still we are not able to making still we were not able to
communicate.
Yes, sir.
Still we are not able to.
No, sir. It is fault of your.
Yes. Still we are not able to communicate with the pupil.
Okay.
Shame.
No, sir.
Shame.
In the Republic Day, in the 15 August, we are conducting one program. That time we were conducting one program, and we went to stage, and we we went to stage, and at least we delivered our speech. Why not?
Only Laddu.
No. It up to you. It was up to you.
Come on. 15 August is for?
Yes, only laddu has been distributed by the pupil, and just students are coming just to take
Oh my
the.
God, many students went there only for getting
Only for
laddu.
laddu.
That is the harsh reality. So, tell me honestly.
No, sir.
You also went in school for getting laddu or not?
No, sir.
He's telling a lie.
Sir, I'm telling honestly.
You are telling a lie. Most of the students go for laddu.
I'm telling honestly.
Of course.
And I went on the program. At that time I delivered my speech, and I am better than you. I am speaking here.
How can you? Can you prove that?
Yeah, I can prove that. I am speaking here in front of you.
I
Better than
am
you.
speaking here better than you.
No, you are not.
No, how
speaking.
can you say
Please
that,
tell me
man?
One bad point about the school.
Yes,
Please tell
bad
me one
point.
solid point.
There are so many bad points.
Please tell me.
So first of all, the first point is by school I cannot able to speak well.
Yes.
Yeah.
By this institution, well talk, I am able to speak well. I am become.
But because of school you have moral education. But because of school,
I have taken moral education by my parents.
okay. When you go to school, that time teachers tell you how you should respect your parent. Okay.
I am well known by
No.
I am well known because
No, you
my
don't well
parents teach me how to respect people, how to talk with the pupil.
Parents also teach every babies. But in the school there is one curriculum. Their teacher teaches how we can go. They teach us well dress up. They teach us our
No, I mean he's trying to say that teachers of the schools are multiple subjective based, right? They are coming only to complete subjects. They have nothing to do with your nails. They have nothing to do with your dresses. They pay formality only to sell uniforms. Okay, you need to understand that.
But
55 uniforms in 1 year. What is this?
Yes.
There is no 55 uniform in school.
Why not?
Why not? There is no. it ups to you. It ups to you.
That day, school's profit will be only there.
What?
School uniform will be sold, so school profit will be only there.
Okay, okay. In coaching, okay. Also, can you provide T-shirt?
But we are not just wearing that because we are not wearing. We are not wearing that T-shirt.
I'm not forcing you that you have to wear.
You just cap sir.
Chal, buck.
Yes.
They treat you like a dog.
Yes. Without
They treat you
uniform.
like a dog.
Sir, why are you taking my mic?
I'm just
Let me
telling
speak.
that. That's reality.
That they are not letting you to enter the class, school, even when your shoes is not polished.
That is your fault. That is your fault. Why you are not carrying yourself? Why you are not carrying yourself?
Okay.
And they are teaching you should polish your shoes. And in coaching, they are not teaching you how to maintain your dress. What
Are
about
you
this?
coming in dress? What is this, man? You're coming sleeper here?
Yes.
What is this?
What is this?
I am not judged by the slipper.
Sir,
Personality development?
it is personality development. You are here for personality development.
Oh my
Look
God!
at
Oh my
me.
God! Oh
I
God.
am full
Yes,
personality
he is
development.
absolutely right. He's absolutely right. Yes. No, why are you speaking?
How can you judge? How can you judge?
Yes.
How can you judge by slipper? I am more silver than you.
Okay.
How can you
are
judge
right,
me
you are
by
right.
slippers?
You are right.
How can you judge me by the sleepers?
Let me speak. If you go on the for the interview,
How can you judge? How can you judge? How can you judge?
How can you judge? How can you judge?
How can
you
you
are not
judge?
listening my point, sir.
How can you
So
judge?
first of all, how can you judge?
I can
How
judge.
dare you to judge?
I have
Give me the answer of that particular
I am
question.
giving you answer. If you will go for the interview, if you go in T-shirt and sleeper, first of all, interviewer not select
It is
you.
not It is not place of
Interviewer not
interviewer.
select you. Interviewer not select
First
you.
of all, why did you dare to see him and just judge him by the sleeper? Tell me first
Yes.
of all.
Sir, because he is here for the personality development, and it is personality development, sir.
No, he's disrespecting. Well, talk now.
Yes, sir.
You are disrespecting. Well, talk now. Exactly, yes. Cap sir always tells you that you have to be, fit and fine. You have to focus on your outfit, and you are here, putting on sleeper. Yes, of course. Yes, he must go back. Of course.
I do not have
You
shoes.
have to sit down. Of course, right. Please go back. Yeah, please sit down here.
There are so many reasons. There are so many reasons. That's why I am not wearing shoes. Because
Okay. He wants to say there are so many reasons, and go on his quality and ability and capability. Why are you going sleeper?
Sir, firstly, any interviewer check your personality, check your dressing sense, and if you don't have dressing
I am
sense,
not
he
here
will-
for
he
the
will definitely
interview.
judge you.
First of
he
all-
will definitely judge you, sir. He will
He's
definitely
saying
judge
I'm
you.
not here for interview. If I go for interview, then I will be here.
I can wear, yes.
Sir, first of all, you need to understand you are here for the personality development, and it is your personality, sir.
I am here for the
are you learning,
speaking.
sir? What are you learning here?
What a Ghangur Bejati? Yes.
It is an institute of English, not for the sleepers.
What it is, sir?
Please
Sir,
sit down. This is not for English. This is not for English. This is for what?
personality development, English and communication,
And
like personality development
And?
communication,
And?
for the aviation sector
and
and
public speaking.
public speaking also, sir.
And for
And-
being good human being.
for
You don't know anything.
I know, sir. I know.
No problem. Okay, please have a seat. But it will go. You will be here. You have passed. Invite other person. Yes. Challenge a person. Anybody can come.
What is his name?
Alaka, please come the stage. Harshit, please come the stage. So, Mr. Harshit, please come the stage. You look like Mahendra Singh Dhoni. What is the secret behind it? Right? Yes, you look like Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
I'm not looking Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
You don't know Mahendra Singh Dhoni? Yes, sir. But he looks like him, right?
Yes, sir.
Is that, do you feel proud or not?
No, sir, I am not feeling proud.
What is this, sir?
What is it?
You should proud.
You are looking, sir. You should feel happy. By the way, do you agree with him?
No, sir, I'm not agree with you.
Please tell me any point. You are not agree with
No,
me.
you are telling about the sleeper. If, sir, I am poor, I am not afford the sleeper. So how can?
Sir, in the market you can afford at least in the
20 rupees sleeper, yes.
no, yes, sir. In the gold market you have people are selling
20 rupees.
No, sir, 20 rupees.
So
100
this is your
rupees. 100
personality
rupees.
development. You are going Bull market.
Sir, what is this?
No,
sir?
you are talking about.
Sir, you are here for personality development. If you will not buy, then what is the meaning of personality development?
Exactly.
Coming here,
You have money to pay fees of CAF, sir, but you don't have money to buy one shoes.
you are you are giving 10,000 rupees.
You are not taking too much money. So,
Excuse me.
It is
It's
a
not
kind
about
of
taking money, it's about you taking care of yourself, right? Like you are well dressed. You are well dressed, right? This is beautiful. This is beautiful. But other people are your members. Look at Neha. Look at here, Bajiro Mastani, right?
the school team, Sabaz also wearing such slippers.
Sahbaz, he has gone to the shop. Right? Come on.
So this is not slipper is not topic. We are talking about the.
Arey, why not? In coaching classes, you are becoming lafanga. He's promoting lafangai.
No, sir, I am just promoting.
You are
promoting.
promoting.
The fungi. So I am talking about the coaching.
Okay, two people come on the stage. Come on.
Actually, we are here to improve our fluency. And I think to wear a shoes, it's just a simple thing. Everyone knows
sir?
well how
What
to
is the simple
wear.
thing? If you will come on the sleeper, people will
Your
definitely-
captain before some time said that coaching class develops personality, develops grooming and all. Now you are saying that no, coaching cannot, coaching should not, coaching does not.
Yes, sir.
What is this?
Sir, actually,
You also come here. Come on the stage. Captain. Yes. Come on the stage. Come on. Yes. Yes.
Sir,
You
I'm
guys are disrespecting your coaching classes.
Sir, I'm preparing for a cabin crew, and you can know the expectation of grooming is how it is mandatory to have it.
It is.
But
It is.
but what happened? Daily I do makeup and I just come here and
You should
I'm
leave the.
and I
Just you are only telling about yourself. What about your team members?
Yes, sir.
that on the day of interview days I can have that grooming, but if for the grooming and for the confident I have to present myself, prepare myself. I'm coming here to prepare myself for my speaking. If
But that all-
Firstly, you should present here how you are.
So I am presenting.
Then you will be.
Your appearance tells
Yes, sir.
how developed you are.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Exactly.
is it necessary
It
to
is
learn
compulsory.
Sir,
It is
sir.
compulsory.
It is ultra compulsory.
necessary to learn how to wear shoes?
Of course. Oh my God. Oh my God. It comes under personality development. You three people have to go back. Go back, please.
We have-
You
sir,
no,
we have
no. I'm
multiple
sorry,
options.
ma'am. The meaning of education. Do you know?
Yes, sir. I
What
know.
is that?
Your wisdom, your knowledge, how proficient and how adaptable you are.
Yes. And where is your adaptability? He is saying that education is not about how to wear shoes.
Everyone knows, na?
Everyone knows. Then where is
Sir,
that?
you cannot
Where
judge
is
me
that?
by my sleepers because
Ma'am, you are coming here at Well Talk Institute of English Language, and you are not developing yourself. Or leave this coaching.
sir, sir, you ask me any question. If I'm not able to answer, then you send me this word.
If you go on the sleeper.
I'm ready to answer you.
I know you are.
At
ready
any-
to
First
answer.
impression is the last impression.
Yes.
And you are looking by your body language that you are not developed. You should take admission in LKG again.
Yes, sir. Firstly, let me tell you, when you will go on for the interview, if you will go on the like a sleeper. Exactly. So firstly, interviewer
Sir,
will say.
for that
Firstly,
that interview day,
let me tell
I
you.
need to prepare myself today. Then I will be
If you are not able to handle all the situations on the daily basis day, so how you can? You are dreaming that in the dream you are thinking that I will be.
I waste my 2
That's your
hours to
dream.
do my makeup and dress.
If you are thinking that type of thing, that will be always your dream. That will be not complete.
You are not understanding the value of
We
2
are
hours.
understanding
In base of wasting 2 hours, I can learn more and more vocabs in that time. But on the day of interview day, you can
will follow.
Yes.
In the one day he can just change everything yourself.
You don't know how to wear shirt. You don't know how to wear shoes.
If you are not
You
able-
don't
if-
know how to comb your hair. That's are the very basic
Ma'am, there
things.
is a curricular.
These are the very basic things. You have by the interaction of people also you can learn this all things. By the watching of the people you can learn all these
By
things.
observation, yes.
Yes, sir.
Firstly, interviewer.
It doesn't require that
We
you
all know.
have to.
We all know that what is the requirement and how we can just well dressed, well groomed, and you also know why you are joining just
Coaching
coaching.
ad.
Why you are just join coaching? What is the requirement? Just you are lots of people for the grooming. There are lots of girls for becoming a cabin
So
crew. They are
why did
learning
you? Why? But then why?
all,
you- Why did
Just
why
are
you are
promoting
in here in
on
this
the
coaching?
which day that I can. Lafangai you are promoting.
Yes. All things guys is promoting here.
And in the interview, there is the requirement of the skill. There is the requirement of
All
the
skill
well-dressed.
can't be, sir. Along with skill.
If you know overthinking, if you know over knowledge, so that's not requirement also.
That's not requirement. Along with your knowledge, simultaneously, it is also important. Outer grooming.
When you don't have wisdom, then you will not. Your makeup, your dressing will not work over there.
T-shirt is a formal dress.
Ma'am, you have freedom.
T-shirt is a formal dress. I am asking with
At
Kala.
least what about the sleeper?
No,
We are not sleeper.
no, you are-
You can see that. You should not discuss about the formal and. I think we are going personally, guys. It is not okay.
Yes, sir.
It is not okay. Exactly. Thank you very much. Everybody has to sit down. I'll call you back.